Frass out. He didn't want to talk about cargo. But what about his new juggling?
Frass.
A dancehall everybody a do. Because once you come from Jamaica and you do reggae and you do dancehall and you chat patois, a dancehall music you do. But me just now go change it and call it another name more than dancehall.
Sunroof Rhythm. It's DJ Frass's new juggling. Taros Riley, Governor Intense Jamil, and of course Moyan and Shensia signed up.
Just like that, like that. The way you the punk come up right back. The way you turn it around, is it like that?
How has COVID changed the business right now for producers like you?
We can't go in the streets because you know me as a street youth. I know me like go uptown Mondays, Bossy. I like go in the streets to promote my music because I write this and we forward up from in the streets. You know that. Me have to just lock up in my house and me have to FaceTime artists and me have to say, yo dog, change the line there brother, yo that body now.
Something good is going on. Me can't set it off here.
But you have to keep busy and a lot of people are keeping busy. A lot of people are productive right now.
Yeah, so me brother, my voice a song almost every other day, you know. Through lockdown, me still a working because most artists have studio at them house. Me have a little setup at my house to where me just like work same way.
And Frass and Chimney Records working together same way.
Remember say me and Jordan a friend from 2008 and then me start produce like 2009. So it's like from them time until now we just always keep the energy there.
But you know, Not Nice went after you one time. Not Nice said that you don't do the actual work. You don't do the actual work in the studio.
But here we go now, Miller. I write song. You know what it song me write?
No, tell me.
I write a lot of songs for a lot of top artists, right? I construct a lot of songs. So even if me don't play an instrument, I still contribute. And a man can't just send a beat come give me. 90% of the time I say, yo, I want a vibe or I just come so. Or something and I say,
yeah,
yo,
but he never said that. He said that you're not the one who build the rhythms.
Puff Daddy not build rhythm. Most of the man build rhythm, which part of them they know to my level. TVJ Records and enough other big producer. Like you have a lot of big producer. You have DJ Khaled, you have a lot of big producers in Jamaica where them not build rhythm, but them a big producer, them orchestrate everything, them know what them want.
So you're an orchestrator and you have the ear.
Exactly, and listen to me. The whole of them, most of them will build rhythm. Where are they now? Just tell me. I left you know me night, you know.
It took you this long to answer Not Nice?
No, me are Not Nice not a problem. Me are Not Nice good right now. We're not a problem.
You want Cargo not so good though? Frass among a long list of music producers who litigious toaster Cargo has threatened to sue over money he claims he never received. But as for the last question, he are drawing a blank from an unresponsive Frass.
Me don't know what you talk about, you know, because a different thing me I deal with in production and me I work on my new project.
Shensia are way more appealing.
Yeah, start for the music right now. It was like, Shen, I need you to do a song with Mayan and the rhythm and then.
Call her up right now and see if she'll answer your call, because I'm not too sure I believe you.
What? Yo, how that? How that?
Mr. Miller!
How are you doing? A lot of people think that you're on the verge of something big. Just spoke to Sean Paul recently, and Sean Paul seems to think that you're the next big name out of Jamaica.
We have a song coming out soon. But yeah, I'm just out here and I'm working, I'm doing the thing, trying to get where I want to go. And so far, it's looking good.
And it's looking good for the women in particular. What are the women bringing to the scene right now that's making a difference for them?
I feel like for me, back in the days, just watching other people on stage, they would be like, yo, it's a male-dominated industry and all of that. I feel like now women are so confident. Women are in the league right now, both in Jamaica and internationally.
Are you pressing the social media buttons as much as you used to in the past?
I don't find myself doing much of that since recently still. Because of course, my late mommy kind of changed, my perspective on life. So it's like, I would still do it like once in a while, but I'm so focused on other things right now. It's like, I want to create just harmony and just peace. You get me? I'm not too much in the hype and the boogie yaka. I just want to put out good music. I want it to spread through the entire world. I want to make world music.
Give a piece of song no, mama. Give it the intro, no?
No, my no man, that's vexed. Cause we bless what we no stress. Boy, we not no man problem. We never freedom. I wanna be girl up here worry about we no worry about them.
Till the way on me up. Girl up if you don't can't stand me.
He's thrust out by the pandemic. Who isn't? But unlike many, prepared to do something about it.
But them I roll out the vaccine them now. When the vaccine forward, me I take it. Me I go and do some research on it. Me not go just run and go take it.
But you know you're going to take it.
Oh, you go travel. Like that, them I try to do. And me not take no boat.
And you're freaked out at the possibility of catching COVID.
Yeah, like, see the lights are there. See my wipes there. See my sanitizer there.
And boy, you're sweating up a storm. I mean, I know you're seriously concerned about it.
Yeah, because me see what I do to other people. You understand? So me not go act like me not see what go on. Like, me see what go on, me watching news. So if them say that and me see people just a drop and me see people get sick and them something, so me just a try to be careful and just try to protect myself, and me just advise everybody else to just try to do the same.
Last word, Frass.
Mava's big Spanish collab coming up, and it's dancehall.
Spanish collab with whom?
A big Jamaican artist and one of the biggest Spanish
Come on,
artists.
give me the names.
Shaggy's on it.